How to check mobile data uses on Samsung Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let's go on with the process on how we can check the mobile data uses on your Android phone, specifically on a Samsung phone. So let's begin, but before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how you can check your mobile data uses on your Samsung Android phone, these are the process you may follow. Head over to the main settings of your device. After that, heading over to the main settings, on the very first you'll be finding the option called connections. Just click on it, and when you click on it, you'll be finding your Wi-Fi and your mobile network here. So in order to look up for the data usage, you're going to tap on this data usage tab, which can be easily found on your that settings. And after going here, you'll be finding your data uses here. So you can find this uses or different kind of uses here. So just look up for the mobile data and you'll be able to find this mobile data uses here. Just click on mobile data uses and you'll be able to find the data used by different applications here. Just wait for it to be loaded up first, and here you can see how much data has been used in by which app in particular, from which day to which date. So that's how you basically check up all your mobile data uses on your Samsung Android phone. So follow those steps in order to look up for your mobile data uses on your phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.